In this video, we are showing you an advanced Bachata Sensual combination using body waves, hip movements, and other sensual movements. We are sure that you are going to love it and also that you are going to have a lot of fun and you will stand out at your next party whenever you do it. So, let's go!
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look around, Sin City's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. Oh, and I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. And I said,
Okay guys, so for this one, we start in the closed position. We start on 1, going up into the side wave together in 1, 2. And now on 3 and 4, we continue and sit down on the side wave together. So we're not only leading it with the hands, but with our body as well.
Yes, and very important for the follower that you do your side wave step by step. So that means that when you go up, that you keep your hip here at first and then you go down and not just make the short wave from here.
Yes. So let's do it in 1, 2, 3, 4. And now in 4, we have connection with our hip. So for the leaders, we have this diagonal side of our body connected with the middle of her belly.
Yes, and make sure, woman, that you don't grab the leg of the leader like this with you. We don't do that because we don't know what's coming next. So maybe we hold him and he wants to get out of it, which...
Yes, and we can also lose our balance. So it's not good to grab. So we go in 1, 2, 3, 4. And now in 5, 6, we do a hip pendulum in 5, 6. And in this case, it's very important to not just go up and down, but to create a pendulum. So we're going down and up, down and up.
Yes, we do with our knees.
Yes. So we are here sitting and we go 5, 6. And now we do a booty roll in 7, 8. And we do another one until the half in 1, 2. Very important here for the leaders is to not only move your leg, but to move your hips and also to isolate the hips. So we are not moving the upper body with it or something. We are really trying to keep the upper body in its place and move only the hips. So we go here and then we come back.
Yes, for the follower, it's very important that you focus on the connection with the leader here and not on your movement to do it very big or just do it alone. Really, the most important thing is to keep the connection here.
Yes, and the connection is very important so that you know as well how many booty rolls the leader wants to make and you don't start dancing by your own and doing more when he wants to lead something else. So we go again in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, stop. So we stop here on the back and we say, okay, go back in 3. And now a small pendulum with the hip into a side wave reverse in 4. And now when we are here, we stop again. So we don't finish the side wave going up. But from here we say 5, 6. And now we stop. We start doing the side wave again in the other direction with the upper body here. And we go up. And when we are up, we rotate the lady like this.
Yeah, very important for the follower that you really wait for what he's leading, because here you cannot just close for your side wave because he stops. So keep tension and wait for what he's leading.
Yes, and also for the leaders, make sure to be clear with your instructions and with the leading of your body. So we are here sitting and we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, and now 6. And we do a body wave to end in 7, 8 and go back into the basic.
Yes, it's very important that when you do the last wave that you really push your hips outward so you don't lose any of the movement.
Yes.
So really push yourself out, use the energy of the floor.
Yes, and for the leaders, when we are here and we rotate the lady, now the body wave, the last one is with this leading with this arm, so not with the hands, but with this arm when we are here, and we do ourselves a body wave as well, come close to her, and close the arm and lead the arm into the body wave. So we are here. 7, 8, and basic 2, 3, 4. So let's do it counting from this point of view in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic 2, 3, 4. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and also check out these other Bachata Sensual advanced combinations that we are sure you are going to love them. So, see you next time.